Kloeckner Metals Corporation, we have defined a strategy over the last few years. And that strategy has been heavily focused on driving efficiencies, improving productivity, leveraging digital innovation. It's truly becoming this customer-centric. Always starts with the customer, but we also want to be data-driven. We want to create processes that are so robust and so quantifiable that we can leverage the power of data, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and build that into our very core, into everything we do, to be able to make better business decisions, quick business decisions, quantifiably powerful business decisions. And of course, then all of that kind of creates a high-performance organization.
Operational excellence is getting better every day. Operational excellence is giving your customers what they want and when they want it. On the surface, that's what we do. Behind the scenes, it's making sure that each employee has the opportunity to perform their job function at a very high level. To get that point, as managers of this company, we have to go deep and ask our customers, what do they do each and every day? What would make their experience better every day? And what would make the customer's experience better every day? When we learn those things, we can make decisions. We want to become more efficient, we want to automate, and we want to perform at 100% to all of our customers.
So safety is important to Kloeckner because our biggest asset, our most important asset, is our employees, right? We take safety very seriously, and we want to make sure that our employees take it as seriously as we do. And it's a top-down, bottom-up approach that we take for safety. And it's our vision of zero harm to all of our employees. And we call that safety always. Safety and productivity, they work hand in hand. By far, our best performing productivity branches are also our best performing safety branches.
I couldn't be prouder and more honored to be part of such a great organization. And really what this is all about, it's the people. I truly believe we have the best team in this business, top to bottom. And it's so powerful to watch a team come together in a common purpose, embrace the strategy that we've really created together, building this culture that's so important to our success, and embracing the values that we all agree are so important to who we are as an organization.